construction site, part 3. The mess got cleaned up, but Byron got dustier and dustier. And then, boom, 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 a rock fell. Byron came to push it out of the way. The rock was no match for Byron. The bulldozer. So there's the rock. Maybe this is where we might end. Maybe this is where we might end part 3.